if you put that on there, I swear to God, you were not. All right, you guys, it's that time. Hello. So we are very excited about all the new products that we've just brought to all of you, and I'm going to go pretty quickly, you guys, and let you know some exciting new things that we just got here at CRAFTEX. If there's anything that you like, anything that we see, please go to CRAFTEX.biz and you can check out all of our pricing. All right, so here we go. Let's get started with lots of fun new items. So here we have the witch's hats, a pick for all of your lovely to-do items. This is going for $7.95. And we have this beautiful new black magnolia flower with some of the iridescent, some of the see-through leaves. So pretty. And this one, you can get the pricing online at CRAFTEX.biz. And then here we have our beautiful, awesome little skeleton guy. Love him. It's a pick, $9.95. All right, so that's some of our Halloween. Here we have some beautiful gold magnolia leaves. They're spray painted with gold. And this pick is going for $19.95. Look at how beautiful that is. The millet grass, they're $12 each. Look how beautiful that is. Just nice and wispy. I love those. They look really natural. All right, so here we have a Christmas pick. It's got a little bit of silver and gold put together. You can find that at CRAFTEX.biz. And then this little pick right here is $7.95. And it's called the Golden Marquee, 18 inches. And then here we have, oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look at that. Those are teardrops. Teardrop picks going for $7.95. And it's just dainty and wispy. It's just absolutely beautiful. Broken glass, y'all. Look at that. Gold magnolia leaves. And that is going for $19.95. Pick that we got some candies, little candy 3 to the set on the pick. And that's going for, I think, $7.95, $8.95, $5.95. And who likes deer antlers? This is perfect time for those ranch style Christmas decorations. And these are going for $7.95. And here we have these really cool metallic wispy stems going for $14.95. This is what you would call the feathered turquoise. So it's a feathered turquoise look. Very cool. And now we have these that are like feathers, and they come in silver and like a lime green and a fuchsia color. And those are going for $9.95 a piece. Super cool. I love those things. And of course, our very famous red berries going for $9.95. Super cool. Here we have some little ball picks for good fillers. And you can find, they come in silver and red. And of course, your very famous hollies. And this is kind of like the velvet look with some gold trim and the balls. They come in red. It comes in champagne. And it comes in gold. And it comes in silver. Look at how pretty. It's really cool. And right now these are going for $12. More nice, beautiful Christmas fillers that we got in. These are going for $7.95. And this is the champagne color. And this is like a really cool blue. It's like a dark navy blue. I don't know how it reads in the camera, but they're super cool. There's that one. We have one in gold. This is the gold one. We have them in red, oh, and green. We have them in red. this for the Halloween as well, for Halloween, and nice scary stuff too, and the red. So we have the red balls. So now we have these beautiful new poinsettias that came in. I think they're the cutest thing. They can go really well with that for any of you that have the Grinch tree. Look how cool that is. Those are $5.95. And it's that velvety material that we have, and the candy stripes. And then we also have, look at these. This is kind of like a felt. These are like felt poinsettias. And these are going for $8.95. We have them in the red with the candy striped, and we have them in the green. So these are going for $8.95. Oh, I'm in love with these, you guys. This is more of that Halloween look, or if you want, a lot of people are doing the black, gold, and silver look for Christmas. Very, very elegant, but this can also turn for Halloween as well. These are going for $8.95. This pick in black, we have it in gold, and we have it in silver. So those are some of my new favorite items that have come in. And I love these, oh my gosh. So these are very classy, very elegant. This is that really gorgeous green. And this is going for $7.95. It's a pick. And this is, let's see, how many inches? It's a 27 inches. So this is the one in white and cream. So that's 27 inches. And oh, I love these. So you can make these ornaments. It comes in two parts, and you just put them together. They'll come in like this. So this is, we have one in the champagne, the red, and the gold. And these are going for $12 a piece. Really, really pretty. I love those. And of course, for all you disco ball lovers, we have the minis. Look how cute for your mini trees. If there's anyone out there that wants to put a tree in every kid's room, these gold ones are $9.95. We have them in red. Whoops, there I go. And look, they didn't break in silver. They're good quality. Oh my gosh. So those are great, going for $9.95. And for bigger ornaments, we got these flat ones. They're really pretty. They have kind of like a rigid line going down them. These are going for $6.95. We have them in gold, silver, and red. So now we have these little tiny reindeer that have come in. These are going for $4.95. And this one's in silver. And we have this one in gold with a little pearl necklace. Look how fine that is. So cute. Look at this one. This is a 100mm multicolored ball. It's just got an array of different colors. And then this one is the 150mm. So we have these two sizes available. And I love this traditional look that's come in. This is the plaid. These are going for $7.95. 150mm tartan red and green is what it's called. So we have them in small, medium, and large. And they're going for $7.95, $3.95 for the small one, and $12 for the big one. Oh, and I love this one. This is 150mm, and it's called Mercury Blue. And it's got, you know, it's kind of tufted. Kind of looks like it's quilted. It's going for $7.95. And then we just have the regular Mercury ball, 150mm, going for $6.95. Here, the cerise color, it's one of my favorites. It goes along well with those iridescent balls that we have. It's going for $7.95 right now. And this is 150mm. And this is a beauty. And it's called the Swirl. This is a 200mm ball going for $14.95. And it's beautiful. Gold and red swirls. Okay, I'm ready for my favorite thing to show you guys. Ready? Look at this, you guys. Don't you just, isn't it lickable? Bella wants you to look at the code. It's so beautiful. I think these are the coolest things that I've seen in a while. They're going for $59.95, and they are just about the coolest ice cream cones for your tree. The size on this, let's see, 30 inches. These are 30-inch cones. So if you could look at the size, the difference between me, we have them in this lime green, we have them in the blue, and we have them in the iridescent. Look how beautiful, you guys. I absolutely love these. And Rocky, yes, I think I might buy one. I think I'm gonna buy them all. So those are just really, get them while they're hot, you guys, because those will not last. Those are unbelievable. Go to CRAFTEX.biz to get those. Okay, so next we have some beautiful garlands that have come in. This is such a cool color. It comes with silver, white, and it's kind of like a seafoam green. I don't know if you could see that. It is like a lot, like, let's see here, what does it say? Kind of like a glitter, yeah, it's kind of, they say call it green, but it's kind of like a seafoam green. But it's really pretty. They're going for $59.95, and I think this is a 6-foot garland. So it's a pretty long piece of garland, and it spreads out. So it's got little, like arms, if you will, on the garland. So that goes really well on your tree. Next we have the gold garland, and this comes with stars and different variety of ball sizes and bells. Really, really cool. So these are also at 6 feet, and you can find that at CRAFTEX.biz. And then this one, oh, I love this one. It's the candy cane look with the red and the white and red stripes, and this is going for $59.95. And it's also 6 feet. Okay, next we have kind of like those picks that I showed you earlier. We have them in the velvet. Those be that beautiful green. These are going for $36. We have them in the green and the cream kind of ivory look, and in the red velvet. Super, super pretty. Very elegant, you guys, for the Christmas decorations. And then this one is a little longer. This one is $29.95, and it's a 6-foot too. And you just have to open it and fluff it when you get it. But they're very beautiful. The velvet is just a very elegant look. And then we have these two new ones. We have one in silver. If you could see that right there. They're plastic. It's a plastic garland, and it comes in silver with glitter, a little bit of glitter on it. And then we have the one in gold. Next we have a holly garland, for those of you that love hollies. And there's the gold or the champagne with a little bit of glitter on the outer edges. And this is going for $49.95, and it's a holly leaf garland. Next we have these amazing Christmas signs. One that says Merry Christmas, and you can hang it like this on your door or on your wreath or garland areas, wherever you'd like. And these are going for $6.95. It's a heck of a price. I love that price on that. So they're pretty good size. This is a 12 by 18 inch. And then we also have your beautiful old jolly Santa Claus that says Merry Christmas, and it's also $6.95. So it's a pretty nice little piece of board decoration. So now we have like the mother of all mothers of garland. My goodness, this thing is a beast. This is huge. It's going for $259.95, and it's called a fir garland. And I think it's a 9-foot. And it is thick and gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do something with this. But it is very, very nice and thick. Yes, is plastic, but it's very, it's got good wire on it, so you could fluff it up and just put all sorts of stuff, but the natural look on it is just fantastic. We just got some really, really great products that came in, and I'm trying to see, but it's called the Fir Garland, and yeah, it's a 9-footer. It's just really great. I think it'd be like 9 by 18 or more. It seems like a little bit thicker than that, maybe 9 by 20. I mean, that's just beautiful. But I love that. Now we have, look at this, guys. Does that not look as real as it gets? That is just a fantastic pick. But you could turn it around, make it simple, and do like a really beautiful bow here. I just have all sorts of visions of what to do with it. It's going for $79.95.
I'm not sure I understand.
Yep, Siri's trying to talk right now too. It's a long needle. It's called a long needle pine, and it's 49 inches. It's a spray, they call it. But I just love this pine needle. It's a really cool look. Oh gosh, I love this. So we got this new wreath in. It's called a dollar eucalyptus, and it's really well made. It's $150. And if you could see it up close, it's just got a really, the dollar eucalyptus is bigger than your average eucalyptus. And I love the workmanship on the back. It's very, very well made. So you won't have a problem with like things coming apart or anything like that. It's just really a well-made wreath. Really impressive. You could do it simply like this, natural, or you could just add a nice bow to it. And last but not least, we have this crazy looking garland that we love so much. A lot of people really like it. It's spunky, it's funny, it's quirky. And it's $36 for a 6-foot piece. And I think it's made out of, is it paper or like some sort of a fabric? Yeah, it's just a really, it just kind of feels like it's hay almost. But anyway, they call it the willow pine. Yeah, it's like paper. It's a willow pine paper garland, and people use it for all sorts of projects, but mainly, you know, just another different variety of, you know, just a different feel, just another look. And there you have it, you guys. Those are some of our products that we've just received, and we are so excited to show you. So please stop on in and come on by or order at CRAFTEX.biz.